Yo, what is up, everybody? If you guys are tuned in, I need, first and foremost, we gotta like this video. I need everybody here to go ahead and hit that like button. And then second, I need everybody here to go ahead and drop in that fire emoji. I just want to make sure we're all tapped in. I miss y'all, man. It's been a solid minute. Let me see. Yeah, it's been a solid minute, guys. Yo, what is going on, Neil? What's going on? What's going on? So, I gotta first bring my team on board. I gotta see who's all on board right now. But yes, sir, we are live and direct. Yeah, I've been gone for a minute on my streams. I really want to be consistent with it, you know. And it's it's a process, and I'm gonna definitely make sure I do what I can. But it's definitely a process. I will definitely say that. I'm trying to play some actual different music right now. Who we got on here right now? I think we got my boy Mike.
Yo.
Mr. 120, man. What's going on?
Good morning, brother.
Good morning. Let me bring all of y'all on here. Good morning. Let me bring all of y'all on here. Neil, we got you in the building too?
Yeah, man.
What's going on?
Building too?
Yeah. I hear the feedback.
I've just muted you. I'm watching it live as well.
Oh, that's why. All right. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to play some music here. Some nice, calm, and settled music, man. Yes, sir. We got the frozen. Neil, you never met Mr. 120 Mike. I want to introduce Mr. 120, man. He's actually tapped in the area where I'm at, bro. So we've been locked in heavily. And Mike, Neil is one of my students, and I know I taught him like a while back, and he's been crushing it since. Now he's got his own thing going, and he's been killing it since. So that's dope, man.
Yeah, that's dope.
What's up?
What's up, Neil?
All right, so my bad, y'all. Hold on, I haven't been doing live streams in so long. I'm trying to figure this all out. I can't remember how I was operating. Let's see. Can y'all hear the music in the background?
No.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Record a hip hop.
If it's love, I want everything. Touch my soul, touch my heart, don't judge my mental. They told me that life is simple, been real since Papa Pimple. I started out in the Reno, so now
I think y'all can. Oh, okay. Y'all talking about y'all can. Okay. Hold on.
Open mouth conversations, I leave you all in some more. Cutting through the noise, I'm hoping I leave a scar. If you don't know where you been, how you knowing where you are? Niggas cruising tonight, I'm grooving. Thought you said you was my type, I'm moving.
Let's see. Ah, that's why. Okay. I gotta go to hip hop. All right, there we go. Okay, cool. So what y'all trading today?
I'm watching the NASDAQ. Always do.
Okay. What you trading, Mike?
Right now, just still, waiting for session to come about. None right now.
Okay.
Yeah. I've got no trades. I'm just waiting for the NASDAQ to open.
Yeah, you gotta wait for the good old session to open.
I wanna let me do one thing. There we go. I wanna bring y'all right here.
Dollar's looking strong, isn't it? Euro, pound, Aussie, all falling a little bit. It's starting to fall.
Aussie pound? Wait, what'd you say?
So the pound, euro, and Aussie, they're all trying to have a little rally, but they're all slipping away now. And I think because the dollar's too strong.
So, let me see.
Pounds just had a little fall off.
Oh,
so,
I have not been trading pound that much. Damn, I haven't even been paying attention to any pound.
GU.
If you're saying GU, yeah, but GJ, nah.
No, I'm talking about I mean pound dollar.
Oh.
GU.
All right, makes sense. Let me turn on this music on my end. Okay, cool.
And we do have some news.
We got news today? I ain't even pay
10
attention.
a.m. today.
Yeah. It's a strong one, isn't it? The Bank of England fella's about to talk, so that's big for the pound. in 47 minutes, so that you might find a big pound sell-off.
I'm looking for the sell on pound as well.
And then you got PMI to the US PMI at 2 o'clock, haven't we?
Oh, we got PMI today?
Well, 2 o'clock my time. Yeah, 9 o'clock your time.
Okay.
Oh yeah, man. I would definitely be in. Yeah, I agree with y'all with those sales, man. They nice structure on those the British pound.
Yeah.
Easy structure too. I always love the British pound. That's bait right there for me.
Yeah. Cause you mainly trade 30, right? Too?
Yep, NASDAQ, and US30, yep.
Okay.
Those are the breadwinners, man. But the British pound, like I say, I've always, still consistently, make money on that one as well, because that's structure is very easy to read,
Facts.
Definitely obeys the structure for sure.
Yeah, it's been selling off since last week.
Yeah, we guys, we've been crushing it with with GU, NASDAQ. I haven't even really been trading gold. I mean, oil that much, just because of yesterday threw me off. I don't know if y'all seen this spike. I don't know what had happened yesterday, but it threw me off.
Yeah, the Saudis and the Russians said they weren't gonna. It's to do with the Saudis and the Russians, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So USOIL went crazy expensive.
Yeah, I want to know if I can have my video also on here, by the way. Nah, I can't do it. Okay. Chill. Oh, wait. I got another webcam. Where is that? You know what would be cool, guys? I should hook up another camera and have another angle somewhere. That'd be raw. Neil, man, you got to come to the space, brother. You got to see what we got going on.
I would love to. As soon as I make my million, I'm coming over.
All right. Hey, Mike, this is the guy right here that's going to develop our site for Black Experience Studios.
Oh yeah. I need to get that over to you, don't I? It's looking great.
Yes.
You took a sneak peek at that. It is looking great.
We need to see the new one.
Yeah, the new one. Yeah. No, I've started putting that together, making it look tasty, making it look a bit nicer.
All right.
I'll send that over to you. I need to finish it off. I'm still not happy with the bottom, with the footer.
All right, that's cool. Yeah, take your time.
I'm gonna send it over to you.
Oh, and Mike, by the way, can't speak. You make music too. Yeah, we can't speak too much on what's going on. I kind of already told Neil what we got planned. Me, you, and Fabian. But yeah, Neil's gonna definitely be one of the ones that help push it. But I got the domain name for the name. So
yeah, I gotta in the chat for sure.
Yeah, man. I gotta put that in there. I forgot all about that.
Yeah, we all been, on our grind, man. So I already know.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got some. Man, what? Y'all just don't know, man. If y'all don't know who I am, man, I'm gonna stay quiet for now.
Yeah.
We gotta get Neil. You never met. Oh, Mike, you either, but Neil, you never met yeah. Damn, he gonna be mad if I say his name wrong. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Our 12. Well, he's 13 now. Our 12-year-old trader.
No.
You never met him, but he actually, when we was live, down there almost 2 weeks ago, he came into our streams, and every time he talks, it's just like I feel like I'm talking to my son. He's just like, bro, this dude is 13 years old, and he knows so much about trading. Like, he knows a lot. He understands the risk management, all of that. Like, I was gonna do a podcast interview with him. I'm gonna see if we can get on today. Let me see.
13, man, and he's making money. That boy's he's gonna be a millionaire by the time he's 18.
Yeah, that's what we was telling him. Yandel, yeah, that's what we was telling him. I think he's actually in Chicago. too, which was see, look, y'all know who I'm talking about. He was in Chicago too. And
oh, you know what? You talking about Psy?
no, wait, who?
Psy?
Wait, who's Psy? I'm confused.
Hey, you don't know who Psy is, bro?
Wait, no. We talking
Hey,
about
it's crazy. Yeah, I was actually trying to make some moves behind the scenes.
for real?
I thought you were talking about Psy for real. That would have been a dope podcast interview with him.
That would have.
I think you know Psy. I mean,
We talking?
he's up and coming, but he's doing his thing right now.
Huh? I'm trying to know. You gotta send me his info.
I'm at CNC right now. Hold on. Yeah, it's pretty dope.
Yeah, the markets is slow. Oh, wait. I'm not even looking at my pair. Okay. So the market's gonna be chill until news hit, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah, I can definitely tell that right off the back. They done froze the British pound right here. We've been sitting here since, how long have we been sitting in this area? We've been consolidating right here since what? 3 a.m. So
Yeah.
we most likely gonna break out of consolidation, retest, and just go crazy. You know, just fall off the face of the earth is what I like to say on sale. So
There's in 14 minutes. There's huge UK news. 40 minutes. Yeah. The Bank of England, monetary policy report. They're gonna put a report out on their future monetary policy, which is huge.
I do see that.
So that'll make the pound either just drop or.
See, you talking about, okay. Yeah, we was talking about somebody else. That's crazy. I don't even know who he is.
definitely gotta check him out though.
Oh, you know what? I have been seeing this stuff.
Do.
Yeah, I have been seeing this stuff on Instagram. Definitely.
Hey, he's actually. Hey, it's funny because he's actually doing some of the things we talked about behind the scenes of like what's really going on in the industry. You know, I don't want to, but separating the real from the fake. So he's all about that. It looks like, and he's pushing more of like the free content side and like just like being real. Like, man, we really living off this stuff like how we are, while we pushing so much of the marketing side. So it's just it's good stuff to know.
Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Yo, we gotta get these likes up, y'all. I know we ain't got zombies in here. Man, Neil, I don't know if you remember, I used to be on it with the likes, like when I first started doing my streams.
Yeah,
I don't know, I just got tired of doing it.
I watched you from the very beginning. I can remember when you started September last year, was it? Or October?
About 9 months ago.
Is it? I'm sure it was the end
I
of
felt like
last
it was
summer,
longer, but yeah, I think it was just 9-10 months ago.
Yeah.
We done so many challenges, man. First challenge was that one with Hanko trade. We did like the 4 to 40K. And then some of y'all said, oh, that was fake. That ain't real. Do it again. Prove to us you can do it again. So I was like, okay. And we did I did a minor challenge, and then what happened? I think I did like a $900 to 13K, and then I just said, fuck it.
Yeah.
And
you killed it in October. I remember you killed it in October.
There was another one I did. There was like another challenge. What the fuck was it? There was another challenge where I did a personal and a funded account. I wanted to use a copier tool called Social Blade Tools. And that's where we did the 1,000 to like 13K plus past the challenge. So that was dope. That was dope. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting bored with the challenges, y'all. I really want to up it.
Yeah.
What's next?
I don't know. But y'all let me know what's next. We gotta get these likes up, man. Y'all, let's get these likes up. Hell yeah, somebody probably doing that on my downstream. I remember, I don't know if you remember this, Neil, but I remember I used to kept saying, give me likes, give me likes. Somebody had
hacked it.
Somebody hacked it and gave us like 1,000 likes. I was like, nah, that's not how we doing it, y'all. I know y'all probably get tired of me saying it, but we gotta get the likes up.
I remember well.
That was funny. That was funny though.
Yeah, you ended up having to tell people to stop hacking.
Yeah.
Because before YouTube got onto it.
Yeah, exactly. But y'all, I need definitely I need y'all to definitely support the stream, man. I'm like I said, I got on my part, I gotta do my part. I gotta make sure I'm consistent back how I was. You know, I've been too focused on a lot of things outside of trading, and I just feel like I gotta just get back on my grind, you know, with the streams and just everything in general. But yeah, we're waiting. I'm seeing that we got news. Yeah, like you said, at what time is it right now? 8:15.
Hey, you check your camera. I think your camera froze up.
Did it? It did. How the hell?
Yeah, that's been like that for a while. I just thought you were sitting really, really still.
That's crazy. What the hell happened? How this happened? This is a first.
Hey, while E getting that ready, how many of y'all on this live stream are currently doing your own challenge or whatnot?
Yeah.
Let's see who got a challenge going on. Any kind of compounds? Let's see.
Shoot, what is going on with the camera?
I know y'all got something cooking up.
It's like a delay too, by the way, on YouTube. I know we not that dead. Jesus Christ. Is my thing still frozen?
Yeah.
Ay. There we go.
He is back.
So, Mike, I think you might have to say what you said again because I don't know if they heard you.
So, how many of y'all are anybody doing any account flips or compound like challenges? Something interesting? Drop it in the comment section if y'all got something going on. Let's see what y'all got. 500 to 10,000. What's up? Let's see. Okay. All right, Raymond. That's definitely doable. 200 to $1 million. That's, man, what? Yeah, definitely. Take your time though.
90 days, he's doing it.
I think it's possible, especially in the right market conditions.
I'm trying to open up a poll.
All in on every single trade.
I can see it happening because if he swing it, you know, it could definitely happen. Big, you know, nice swings on it. And yeah, definitely.
Somebody said, "Okay, Alex FX." Hey, don't discriminate on somebody that's trying to take a 200 to $1 million. That's possible. Welcome. If it's your first time, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. All right.
I'll be right back.
All right. Damn, is the market this dry? Oil ain't doing much.
definitely a news day, isn't it? You can tell.
Mm-hmm.
Well, and so far, news morning. The London Open wasn't great either. Actually, NAS did sell off at London Open.
Yeah.
It came right down and bounced back up again.
I know there's some, by the way, there's some people in here I know that can't even speak in my chat room, and I don't know if it's fixed yet, but you said 100 to a mil. Yeah, I ain't got the mental to do all that right now. 100 to a mil. Do we help get funded? Yeah, I mean, you know, just stay tuned in the live streams. You never know what can bring this upon you, because there's a lot of things that can happen. That's for sure. Yeah, so what have you did you trade anything this week so far?
Yeah, I got a nice 1 to 3 on the NAS yesterday when it opened. On open, I waited for it to collect. It went up and took the highs out, came back down, took the lows out, and then shot up, didn't it? After 3 o'clock.
Fire.
Oh, 3 o'clock my time. So I always forget, about 9, 10, or 10 o'clock your time, is it?
Yeah, about 10 o'clock.
Yeah, I got a lovely long on NAS, following your liquidity phase, so up high and low.
Man, can you talk about that real quick? So you said you've been trading, like, I know you've been using other strategies, but can you talk about that? Like, what's your strategy that you're doing?
Yeah, so I couldn't wrap my head around your liquidity phase. It took me ages, and then I started deep diving into it, and then obviously came across ICT's silver bullet, and it's just exactly the same as your liquidity phase. So I just started backtesting, trying to simplify it myself. So essentially, I watch the 15-minute before 3 o'clock my time, UK time, so 9 US, and then I'll see which side it takes out. If it takes the highs or lows out. So if it takes the highs out, you can sell it back down to the lows and then obviously back up again. Okay. You're looking for a fair value gap and an order block.
That's fire.
So I'd have to demo it on a screen to really, like, I'm probably not making much sense talking about it.
Okay. Yeah,
if you look at NAS yesterday morning, you'll better see what I mean. Where
I traded in NAS too, but I only got in this right here.
It liquidated the highs first, then it came down for the lows, and then it just took off.
That's fire.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so before opening in the morning, it went up, took the highs out, came back down, took the lows out, and then obviously it went up, and then I got in around 15,440, and then it just went up right up, and then up to about 15,500.
Okay, and that's pretty much your strategy.
That's your liquidity phase, smashed with a bit of ICT, silver bullet.
That's fire.
Strategy.
And that's what you now look for, right?
Yeah, pretty much. So I just wait for the market open, and I look for that each time. And I look for it on London Open for GU.
Okay. That's fire, bro.
I didn't realize my music was playing. Can everyone hear my music? Could they?
Nah, I don't think I can't hear your music.
Okay, cool.
Somebody asked me entry. Oh, I did not enter into oil yet. I'm actually just patiently waiting to see what's going on with it. Oh, it's going good. It's going good. Damn, I feel rusty right now with oil. I haven't tried oil this whole entire week. What's today? Wednesday, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Did you see if there was like any sort of liquidity phase that it does oil much or?
Man, I was analyzing it and I didn't really see too much of. That's the thing. Like, I don't get too much of a liquidity phase with oil.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
look, this is a setup.
isn't it?
Yeah, this might be it, right? Oh my gosh, bro. I don't know why I'm nervous. I haven't traded oil in so long. I feel like it.
First live show back in a while. Don't get your first one.
All right, guys, I'm in this one. Selling oil. This one is a little risky for me because I just feel rusty right now.
You using pending orders? Or you just market execution?
Market execution.
Okay.
Y'all know how I am with my stop loss. I like to keep it open. Ever since I had heard what my Forex funds has been doing, this is why I keep a stop loss open. I'm trying to tell you, these brokers low key, they be creating softwares to make you lose money, not make money. So they look for that stop loss if you have it. And a lot of times, a lot of people be like, I never had with the broker there with, they'll be like, they never got their stop loss never got hit, but yours have.
Yeah.
And to a lot of times too is that you usually just get these large wicks and then it would just obviously go all in our favor. And that's another reason why I like to keep it open. What I mean by open, for those that don't understand, is this is theoretically my stop loss, but I don't have it in my actual broker until if I'm walking away from the computer or something like that, then that's when I'll put it. But I even put it a couple more pips up. But technically speaking, this is an idea of my stop loss. And if we was to close aggressively above it, that's when I will be like, all right, close out this trade.
Yeah, that's definitely like a 1 or 3 right there. Easy.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, but I'm trying to reach for that little 1-on-1 first and then see. Typically I go for the 1-on-1s. I love them 1-on-1s. You just got stopped out of oil buys.
And today is Wednesday too, so that crude oil. Did it come out yet? It's at 8 actually. The crude oil inventory reports.
Oh wait, inventory reports is today?
No, I don't think it is. Isn't that that's like the? How do they do that? I mean,
No, we that's not. Neil might know more than I do actually. When is the inventory reports though?
There's no oil reports today. Oh yes, there is. That's tonight. In my time, 8:30 my time. There's a crude oil stock.
Where y'all seeing this at? I don't see that.
It's really low on impact news, but for oil, it's obviously big.
Yeah, well, oil is big.
My time, 8:30, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's about 2 o'clock this afternoon for you.
I just see Logan speaking at 2 o'clock, but that's slow news. I don't see anything else.
Yeah, no, yeah, so 2:30 it is then. I see. It's on. I see. I'm on fxstreet.com, economic dash calendar.
Let me go to my FX book. I usually like my FX book just because it's better, but it's got too much stuff going on. Which makes it slow.
Yeah, there's definitely there's API's weekly statistical bulletin as opposed to the US. So that's crude oil stock.
So I just see. Oh wow, motherfucker! We do have crude oil news. 7 hours from now. My FX book. See, that's sometimes why I don't like my FX books. It don't give you everything. I mean, Forex Factor doesn't give you everything.
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming from the American Petroleum Institute, API.
Tomorrow we have oil news. Okay. Look at these wicks. Y'all know how I am with wicks. When we get these wicks, y'all know these wicks love to be fulfilled. But we gonna see how oil is. Like I said, I feel rusty as hell with oil. I ain't even gonna lie, that's crazy. But
what's that? What's he showing us there?
Huh?
You on mute, Mike?
Hey, that photo is fire, bro. You ain't tell me about that. You got to plug me into that. That's you? That say 120 dream. That's fire.
Where you dream, baby?
Bro, is that a picture?
I was just showing them in the comments that it's a live account.
Wait, your camera's got to zoom in on it.
Yeah, it went off you. You up? What are you up on?
I've been well, you know about these trades. I've been holding these swings on the British pound, so I've been holding. So I'm still in those trades.
Wow. You still in British pound?
When did you end? Is it GU? When did you wow.
Ooh.
Holy shit.
Oh, we gotta really introduce Mike, bro. I don't think we had introduced Mike. Hold on, Mike. You're gonna have to chill out a little bit.
Real too.
Keep it up, Buck. Yes, sir. All right, so
is that only 60K you on there?
Well, that's 46.
Is it? I can't see it. It blares out. You can't quite see the numbers.
I can send a screenshot to like E if you want.
Damn, when did you get in on that?
This was back in freaking August.
Wow.
7-11. I've been holding this thing since 7-11.
That's a true swing trader right there. I can't swing trade for nothing.
Yeah, so
this is a new thing I'm trying though, like with another account and just trying it on my, see how long I can like swing, because I generally don't swing myself,
Yeah.
So where did you sell it from? What? How high? What? 1.227?
This is that 28700s.
287. Fucking hell, there. Fucking hell! So you've been holding it since what? Like, no, that's the 28th of July. It's July, late or very 1st of August.
Yep.
Damn.
Not gonna lie, though, I wasn't a lot of drawdown originally, and then corrected itself.
It's just sold off consistently since it got to 1.31.
They asking for the screenshot, so you better send it.
Oh yeah, I'll send a screen recording to you right now.
When are you gonna take your profits then out, Mike?
I'm gonna actually close it because I can't hold it over the weekend with them. It's a prop firm, so I can't hold it over the weekend. So definitely will be closing it this week.
Hey, so y'all don't know Mike. He I could tell him all, like you got in a trading trading community, right?
Absolutely.
Okay. Mike basically created a cool, crazy EA that trades, and he does a lot of manual trading too, but he has an EA that literally does all his trading. So I know he has a challenge he does with his community where they invest a small portion to make big gains, and he's just basically using his EA to do it. And I think you said your EA made well over $1 million, right?
Yeah, I think we currently at I don't like to throw the numbers out there like that, but I have to throw a disclaimer too. But we currently at like a 1.6. 1.6.
It's crazy.
Yeah, man, check it out when y'all get a chance. We call it the 120 challenge. I just sent you that video, E, so you can show the community. But
Okay.
yeah, we call it the 120 challenge. 3,000 to 100,000 70s.
So you guys see right here. Come on, camera. Is my camera focusing on it? Yeah, it's doing all right.
Yeah, it is.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Jeez. What man, what we buying, bro? We going to the lot?
You know?
We going to the lot?
We going back.
That's what's up, man. Congrats to that, bro.
But now, like you say, man, the most important thing is for the team to be winning. And, you know, like I said, we personally been doing it, and that's the difference. But if the team and who you're helping is really winning, that's really what it's about. And to show that, I think that's really big, you know, because like you say, it's a lot going on out here. And for you to show proof and transparency, you know, like, dude, I can keep it going, you know, like, show you a account thing. Now, this is not even mine, you know, I don't want to show the information, but, you know, I mean.
That's one of your students, right?
Yeah,
EA?
so like,
is that all them trades taken by the EA?
Yep. So this guy is currently up 108, something like that.
That's EA right there. That's EA money. You're not even trading it. Like, well, it's going based off of your style of trading, but it's just taking its own trades.
Yep. Smart money concept.
It's fire.
But yeah, I think market probably gonna be slow like until that news drop.
Mike, man. I mean, not Mike. Neil. I'm looking at this NASDAQ. Do you see what I see?
It depends what you see.
I see a potential buy.
Oh,
Liquidity.
yeah. No, it's just taking out some lows. But then I like to wait for it to open.
Whoa,
but I think NASDAQ's going up. My bias is up because it broke.
Mine is too.
Yesterday it broke a swing high. Well, it's like a 1 hour high. So there should be a change. So we're in a big range here. It could go up for me.
Yeah, I'm looking for a buy right now soon. Because look, we took the lows out.
Yeah.
Took all of this liquidity out, and I see we got liquidity up here. It's just a matter of time. What time is it? I like to really hop in at 8:30 though. You know, 8:30.
Yeah.
That's when it's.
Yeah. It's just a bit too early for me, and especially with PMI.
Yeah. Wait. What time do you usually trade it?
No. I've early for my new strategy. So I always trade between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. the first hour of London, and the first hour, the 3 to 4 p.m. my time on the southern. Like I think it's 10 to 11.
Okay.
US time.
Okay, makes sense.
That's because then at that point it's taken all the bots out at high and lows, and then the true trajectory then. But
okay.
I'm wary of all the high impact news.
Right, man.
The UK news has been delayed. It should have been out by now, but it's still another 13 minutes.
What time is it right now? Yeah, 9 a.m. my time. We got the ISM news, CAD, S&P Global. In 56 minutes, y'all.
Yeah.
This is the time I usually get in something too.
Yeah, no, same. It depends if I'm feeling confident. that's the way it's gonna go, and then when it opens, it'll just go that way. But I'm not so confident right now. I think it's just like really choppy. So
I'm not confident either right now with my stop loss too, because technically speaking, like this is my most recent high, bro. I would like a bigger pullback. My stop loss got to be like here or somewhere around here. I don't know. I'm just not liking it.
No.
Yo, Mike, I think you can share your screen too. I just don't understand how I'll do it with this. I think it'll work. Oh, by the way, I just realized starting currently 7K. I'm just not seeing that. Yeah, this challenge was a success. By the way, guys, I just realized we had this up here. I didn't even realize that until like I said, it's time to do a new challenge, man. Something that's gonna interest me. And I don't know what it is. Oh, you damn right we better be dropping. But I just want to do something that's just gonna interest me. Something I never done before. I say, look at that. We're taking out this wick, y'all. And we better hit that TP1. But let's not get too happy. Something, I need a challenge. Something that's really reasonable, realistic. But I'm tired of doing these $500 to 10K. Like, I'm really am. And I told you I was gonna do 10K to 80K, but I just said, I'm gonna draw it. Actually, I will only withdrew 9,000 out of it, but something in the making right now. It requires a lot of stuff, especially after what just happened with my Forex funds. The States is after a lot of prop firms now. $10K to 100K. That's easy. All I gotta do is get in one big trade and we good. All I gotta literally do is get in one trade and then out, and that yeah.
$25 to 1,800. That's good.
Nah, I can't do that. But that's dope. You doing that? Currently running at 25, not at 18.
Good.
Yeah, that's really
taking a while.
For real.
What were you risking on $25? I'd have been risking all 100%.
Yo, I want NASDAQ to pull back, and I just feel like it ain't gonna do that.
Nah.
It ain't gonna give me what I want, y'all, in order for me to really trade NASDAQ.
You need to wait for 20 minutes. See how it opens. How US opens.
Wait, say that again, Neil.
But in 20 more minutes, then that's when New York officially opens, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then we'll know. Have you done much work to the studio? Hey, recently, what's been going on?
In the lab, man, we just working in the back end right now. The podcast setup is dope. We're getting bookings, man. It's doing wonders. until I can get my own stuff going. Yeah, I should be.
I thought you'd be going live from there.
Nah, not yet. I ain't even get the upstairs going because I just been too tapped in and like everything else. You know, I'm trying to generate some revenue in there because I put in a lot of dollars already in there. So I'm like, you know, it's time to start making some money out of this space. You know, so that's what's going on right now. I think we got the backs coming real soon. The front is definitely completed. It's just a process.
Yeah.
But we working on it though. Let me see if I can show y'all some photos.
I love the photos I've seen online so far. I'm putting them in now.
So yeah, guys, y'all see right here. This is the studio that Mike is talking. I mean, not Mike, but Neil is talking about. For those that don't know what's going on, I'm building a I don't even know what to call this. I'm just building something crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna be a trading floor, a podcast setup, and an overall content production space. And it's just gonna have all exclusive stuff. And so this is the first floor, and this is when you first walk in. This is kind of like our stage, our podcast set, and then with the lights and all the cool features, this is kind of how it looks right here. You know, we got a lot of, you know, it's dope. So we built that, we built this, and then we're working on the back end, which I don't have any photos of. Do I? I don't. We also got a big dumb warehouse in the back as well, where we literally, so let me show you guys, like right here, this door right here is like, if you go back here, it's just like a big warehouse, about like 25 feet ceiling space. We building something crazy, and then upstairs, that's where the whole trading floor is going to be. We're building like this dope stage where we're going to do like workshops and stuff like that. So man, it's going to be really, really dope.
Cool. That's cool. Both those look great.
Yeah, wow, look at oil. It just went. See, oil, what the hell is going on with oil? It's the news, man. I'm still maintaining this one though. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't think oil's been really acting in my favor lately. 10K to 250K in a month.
It's gone too volatile, oil. It's just gone crazy because the war effort's getting worse, isn't it? It's literally just gonna. I don't think it's been this high since. Was it November last year? Maybe no.
It's been doing weird wonders for sure.
Yeah, it's beat its most recent all-time high, and then it's going off up to 92, potentially 92, 94, October, November last year.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I stopped trading oil because I just kept getting it wrong. I think now it's just pulled back as much as we're gonna get. Potentially,
I think this is the pullback that I believe this is the only pullback we'll get. I just don't like the position.
No.
I mean, this I'm all 1-1, but damn, I would want a better position than this.
Yeah.
There we go. Come right over here to this area right here. Oh, we tapping in. Okay, now we getting somewhere. actually pretty scary right now with it's actually pretty scary with the news events coming.
Yeah. I'm waiting.
Yeah. Cause fucking oil was, I don't know what it's doing on the 15-minute. It's creating a lot of this liquidity. So it traded silver 500 to 50K. Trade silver. Oh, so y'all can't see the ticker? Okay, hold on. So I'm not a big fan of trading anything outside of what I'm already trading. I'm not gonna do a challenge like that. I mean, like, as far as just like a accomplishment is what I'm trying to achieve. Oh, where's the watermarks? Here we go. I got the watermark on here now. My frozen funds. What? Yo, what's that? Are you like mimicking my Forex funds? Oh shit, we got a legend too in the building, Mike.
Hey, what's going on? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Hey, Mike. It's Neil.
Hey, Neil.
How's things? 2 mics. We got.
Mike,
Yo.
I gotta introduce you to Mr. 120, Mike, as well. He's tapped in. It's crazy how we met, but he's tapped in the area where I'm at, so we just been locking in a lot. So, he's definitely a trader. He actually has his own EA, and he's crushing it. And then Mike,
Nice.
to other Mike, Mike is a student of the Solar Network community, and he's crushing it as well. By the way, Mike, how's your account going? I know right now you're doing. Are you still doing the funded challenge?
Yeah, I'm still doing the challenge.
Okay.
It's it's going okay. I mean,
Okay.
I'm still not there yet, but I'm kind of messing around with US30 a little bit here, getting kind of good at that. So
Fire.
but
Let
yeah,
me fix this.
glad to see you back here, Neil.
I think his mic muted.
I was gonna say, I guess.
Thank you, Mike. Thanks, Mike. Yeah, that was good to be back.
So I just kind of tapped in here. What are you guys looking at? Well, I'm sure Sailor's looking at oil.
Yeah, but I'm very disappointed with oil right now. It's definitely doing ugliness right now. Oil has not been operating the same lately.
Yeah, it has been. I haven't been trading it, but I've been kind of keeping an eye on it, and yeah, it has been kind of odd. It always seems like as soon as you find a good thing, it has to change on you.
Yeah.
It's just so volatile with all the crazy news going on in the world, isn't it?
Yeah, I would assume. Sway, what's going on, brother? %68% of y'all so far saying y'all growing y'all accounts, and 32% said y'all not. Interesting.
Well, heck, after the My Forex Funds debacle, I'm sure a lot more people will be jumping on their own, at least in the short term here.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna close out this oil trade and just reconsider something else. I'm gonna wait for that minute. Yeah, it's just, guys, music. The news is coming, so market is just doing nothing right now. So it's all about patience. I'm not even tapped into NASDAQ. I know y'all probably asking me right now, but I'm not even in it right now. Honestly, I'm just eyeing it right now. 830 is about to hit. Y'all know I love 30 when 830 hits. New York opening, basically.
Yeah, 30's been dropping for the last 3 or 4 days.
All right, I gotta get this out. This is too much noise. I still see 30 going up though, because we took out this major high right here and just essentially waiting on it. It could definitely pull off of this and then head up from there. But y'all know me, I'm more in the moment type of trader. That's how I made my 6 figures. Focus in the moment, and that's it. We got 5 more minutes. Let's see what this kind of looks like. We got
that's one of the things that I deal with. It's like in the moment it's going one way, but if you go back to like the 30-minute or the 1 hour, it's going the other way. Then if you go to the 4 hour, it's going the other way. It's just like, okay, just calm down and deal with what you're in right now.
Facts. Yeah, I'm gonna still hold it. I'm gonna still hold the position. We're not closing it aggressively. We're still holding in that area. Oh no, we're not looking at you. Not gold.
Are you guys talking about the news that's coming up at I guess 10 o'clock Eastern?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because I got an 8. Well, it's 9:45 final services PMI. It's a yellow folder though.
There go NASDAQ taking off. I am 100% looking on NASDAQ just to go up. I just don't like what's going on with the news. I see 30 going down. We took the lows first. We're going to go up. Oh my gosh. If this is not a liquidity phase textbook strategy right here, I don't know what is. I can definitely see this coming up into this level right here, possibly, and going down. Possibly. I don't know. We shall see, though, because it's about to be 8:30. So NASDAQ, I actually do see it going up to these levels here, and I kind of want to see what it will happen from here. Going up, and then I want to see what's going to happen if it's going to drop or continue up. NASDAQ's been pretty choppy lately than its usual. Look at that, y'all. Since Wednesday, we've just been choppy. Still volatile, but choppy. So the challenge so what happened was I haven't been on my live streams because I really wanted to lock in on a challenge. But yes, I did it pretty much to 9,000, right? And I got bored of it, honestly. And I was like, I want to just do something different. Like, guys, I've done so many like small challenges for myself. And I'm just trying to figure something else out. Like right now I am working on like some crazy projects in the Forex community right now. And I can't really spill too much gems on it, but I'm working on a lot of big things right now. So that's kind of why I haven't been really focused on live streaming. I just been behind the scenes trying to figure other things out. But give it a month, I will be unleashing everything that I have been working on the back end. Like, you know, like I said, man, I'm all about challenges, but I want to elevate into something extremely big. So that's exactly what's happening right now. And, you know, I'm trying to go from here to like there, you know, and I got some really cool projects that's coming out within a month and 2 months. So I've been secretly, like I said, working in the back end of that. that's why I haven't really been too active live, but I've been still dropping pre-recorded videos here and there. Y'all still keep your eyes open on oil, man. We can't let it slip away on us. We took the lows out first. We taking the highs out next. So we had somebody that apparently passed the challenge from our solo bot in our community.
That's well cool.
Yeah, I was thinking about that the other day. That's pretty amazing.
See right here, pass with 2 bot calls. That's so fire. Let me see if I can pull it up. Yeah, they passed with 2 bot. What is this? FXI. I ain't never heard of this broker before, but that's cool, man.
There's another guy on there that's I forget how he put it, but it's basically where's this? I'm trying to look for his that Max G. What did he say about the? Oh, it's his soulmate. Yeah, he said the bot is his soulmate.
That's fire. All right, there goes some slippage right now. Let's see. What the hell happened right here? Hold on, let me open my blinds. Yo, Neil.
Yo.
Mike, you should plug into Neil nice little strategy he's doing. Cause what is it, Neil? You're saying like it was difficult for you to understand the liquidity phase until you kind of like put 2 strategies together to create your own.
Yeah. So I couldn't wrap my head around the liquidity phase at what point, because it just seems so random to me until I watched ICT's silver bullet strategy and how he explained it, and then once I could put a time frame on it, which it happened throughout the day, then I could wrap my head around it. So then simplified ICT silver bullet with his liquidity phase. So the first hour of London and the first hour of New York, I looked for my setup. So yeah, so it's been interesting. My back testing results have been very interesting. I've only put a few trades on and actually been successful, but most of it's back testing, and I just want to keep back testing it to make sure I can understand it, because what your understanding of what liquidity is, or the liquidity phase, should we say, can be so subjectional, and I don't. That's the problem.
So it's like ITC with a twist, or liquidity.
Yeah.
You kind of combine them.
Yeah, ITC's it's ICT's silver bullet strategy. So they're
super popular, by the way, because I hear a lot of people talk about that strategy.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry. It sounds like you're really paying more attention to the. Well, I shouldn't say more attention, but you're really paying attention to the time of day.
Yeah, that's it. It's the time. It's only. It's invalid. It only happens in the first hour of the opening session, and it's basically down to bots that all these institutions obviously have paid mega bucks out to bots. They've all got their own bots, and they suck us retail. They love us, or they need us retail. They suck us in by creating liquidity pools. A bot will just literally create it before the opening, and then they'll take it out in either direction, come back to a fair value gap, and then go in the other opposite direction. But you don't need a bias, but you're only targeting the next liquidity. You're not holding your trade very long. It's very much a quick scalp. So it's easy to get wrong, is my point as well. That's why I've not put it to full practice yet, because I'm still trying to wrap my head around it, because you can easily get it wrong and more times.
Yeah. That's interesting. I'll have to look that up.
But yeah.
It's a silver bullet.
Yeah.
You know what's crazy, Neil, is that there's this one other trader that was hitting me up. He said he was trying a silver bullet strategy and he was crushing it, and then all of a sudden he said it stopped working. He was like, "Oh, the silver bullet sucks. I'm about to learn something else." And I was like, "Bro, it's not the strategy. Like, every strategy is good. It's just the market condition change, you know." And a lot of times, and this is for everybody, a lot of times when people get into a strategy, yeah, it does good for some time, but then y'all be like, "Oh, it doesn't work no more. This strategy sucks." Like, all strategies are good. You just have to adapt to the condition of the market and understand that your setup ain't gonna always be there. It's not gonna always be every day you're gonna see something, you know?
Yeah.
And Jesus Christ, GU is dropping. And that being said, you just gotta understand that like I said, you just gotta understand that sometimes whatever strategy you have, just stick by it, but also be open, guys, to a lot of other strategies too. And you can definitely be successful, man, for real.
That's that news I was telling you about, the UK news. I told you that would kill the pound.
It's dropping.
The Bank of England's monetary policy report is being released.
Well, the market just opened too in New York.
Yeah. So same time, so it's the pound selling.
Jesus Christ, what is going on? Whoo! Wow, they petty for that drop. I was not expecting that to be like that.
Hold up, has Mike still got his sort of sell going on for pound?
I think so.
He must be on like 50 or more, 100k now.
Yeah, he's probably like 50k right now.
Here we go. Look, Nas is trying to take the lows out now.
There we go. Now we can get in a position. Well, I don't know. Let's see. Not yet. I'm kind of upset because I wanted this one right here with 30. Damn.
Yeah, I was looking at 30. It just tapped the supply zone, and then as soon as that happened, the market opened and it dropped. So I'm like, man, with my challenge thing, I can't get in the news like 2 minutes before or 2 minutes after. I can't get it.
Oh yeah, that's
so
right.
you have to wait for that anyway. It wouldn't have worked.
Oof.
We got more news in 12 minutes too.
Yeah, PMI is not till in an half an hour, 20 minutes.
Yeah, we got that too. Oh wait, PMI.
Yeah, in half an hour.
Yeah, 9 o'clock Central.
Sheesh, look at 30. So I have a rule, y'all, for those that don't know. US30, I usually don't like to trade it until the opening of New York, because it just, you know, I feel like anything before that is just a bunch of manipulation and just buyers and sellers just basically trying to play their role to potentially be ready to open for New York session. And right now, this is pretty much when I'll be active. But when I usually see these large candles like this, it also comes down to position, right? Because think about it, if you were to enter here, technically speaking, like where your stop loss gonna be, you know? And sometimes you have to just miss out on these type of trades if it plays out like this with a big large candle, unless you may be looking at a higher scale and you see a bigger picture, then absolutely. But other than that, yeah, guys, I'm out of oil. Oil ain't doing it today.
Someone's asking, is it best to not enter a trade until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time?
9 o'clock. I mean,
well, technically that's when still the bullet's supposed to be 10 to 11, which is 3 and 4 my time.
dude, this is what I'm saying. Like, oil has not been the same lately. What the fuck? It's either I feel like I'm just rusty, man. I haven't back tested oil like I usually do.
I think you're beating yourself up. I think it's I just don't like how it's just bye. It's just going up, skyrocketing. There's never like any structure to it. It just shoots off.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you pretty much right. I am beating myself up because yesterday this was random. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This was so random. For oil, NASDAQ 100% makes sense, but for oil, this was the most random thing ever. And I'm just like,
yeah,
what is even how? You know? And then
that news wasn't reported on, like the news we get, like that we know it's coming. That we didn't know about that news. We didn't know.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Russians and the Saudis were going to release news that they were stopping or certain contracts or something.
So I'm trying to tell y'all, we have no control in this market, man. Anything is possible. This is why I don't ever go for the 1 to 12s. Off of one take, you know, like I always make sure I minimize that risk, because yeah, but oil, bro, it's just like, look at this, bro. Like, I think realistically the only trade I took off of oil successfully was this one right here. This was August 30th, I guess.
They probably have a watch.
Not to cut you off, Mike. My bad. What you say, Mike?
No, I was gonna say they probably have a watch solo bot out there, and they say Solo's making money. We got to stop that.
Yeah.
No, honestly, man. Ever since this move had happened right here, that's when things shifted on oil on me. Like, I swear to gosh, I don't know what it has been, but this move right here on Friday, I had called out a buy for oil, and then out of nowhere, there was no news on oil at all. It was just random time that this just happened somewhere around here, and it just went down, and then it went all the way up, and I'm just like, okay, something ain't right. So ever since we've been taking these highs out, oil hasn't been the same, y'all, and I have no idea what is going on. Grant, I can sit here and say that, yeah, I mean, we're basically fulfilling this right here, and we could be, and you know, that's the idea, but there's a lot more to it than that. But it's just the structure ain't there, y'all. Like, like, look at this. That's not typical oil.
Yeah, there's never a pullback. But then
oil gives us pullbacks too, Neil. That's the crazy part.
Yeah. That's what got me into it originally, was the structure, how easy it was to read. But nah, not since I don't know, May or June. I've not been able to read it.
Yeah. That's what I say. You got to follow market conditions and adapt to it quick. Otherwise, you're just gonna keep blowing accounts. US30 is just dropping. Y'all see something about NASDAQ's coming into the zone? We down. We got more news coming at 6. I'm watching my Forex Factor, by the way. We got more news coming in 6 minutes. S&P Global Service PMI. That's what you was talking about, Neil, right?
Yeah, that's high impact news.
6 minutes. So we just got a lot going on right now.
No. It's not. In 21 minutes, the high impact news.
So in 20 minutes, I see here, at least my Forex Factor, they're saying ISM service PMI. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I see what you're saying. We also got some high impact news too with the S&P Global Service PMI. My Forex funds are showing that. My FX book, sorry. So the market is about to do a lot of weird stuff.
Yeah.
Is that other? Excuse me. Is that other one at? Oh man, is that other one at 9 o'clock Central? Solo?
Yeah.
Because I have the Forex Factory.
And then 9 Central. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Final Services PMI. Okay.
We're going through a phase now, and as definitely, it's just taking all those lows out from earlier this morning. This morning.
Bro, what's crazy is that we just created so much liquidity on oil. High and low. Yeah, that's crazy, y'all. Hey, one thing I like about 30 is once you know what's happening at that time, like around that opening, it's 9 times out of 10 it's just gonna keep going that way. And we've been dropping too, 30. Yeah, August was trash for oil. Hella trash. Wow, look at that crazy spike. We gotta fulfill this. We gotta fulfill this wick. No, you're not doing no GU trade?
No, I didn't. I'm kicking myself. I got distracted and I forgot to look at GU. I should have sold it before. About Corp. It just sold off after that news. The report. Then it's bounced, but that was a good scalp. That I could have scalped it down to 125.28.
I'm gonna ask you. You still scalping, right?
Yeah. I was still dropping.
Yeah, I'm waiting on it to close at least 50% of this wick. That's another thing I had learned when I started studying heavily in price action, is I noticed a lot of times wicks get closed at least 50% before it actually goes in that direction. Been doing a lot of back testing on that.
Yeah, I should have got in when it did that engulfing candle.
This one, the one.
Just now, just that one. In fact, there's been several engulfing candles to the downside, and I knew it was going down, so I don't know why I didn't sell it. I just got distracted.
Honestly, I'm not feeling confident in the buys right now. I'm not feeling confident in any trades right now because of the news. We got news, and I don't like trading during news. We literally got 1 minute. We got some low key, medium, high impact news, and then also in 16 minutes we have PMI. Y'all know how important PMI is nowadays. Back then it wasn't. PMI back then wasn't really much. You know what was popular back then for news was NFP. Ever since COVID had hit, a lot of things changed.
US30 is heading back up.
Yeah, this was the move to buy into NAS, but I'm not trusting anything right now. CPI, yeah, right. CPI is also another big thing too. There we go. We about to 18 seconds. Watch how NASDAQ just boom. Watch, it's gonna definitely take that high out. Yeah, I mean, you can say NFP is still big, but I'm just saying back then when I was trading like 4 years ago, it was NFP was really the only biggest news that I remembered. Like 4 years ago.
Two things I hate about these big candles is like you said earlier, you can't get a good stop loss position, and then two, a lot of times if you miss it, you can't even jump on, you know, because it just already took off.
Facts.
Which is what US30 did, and it's still doing.
Whew, there go NASDAQ, took that.
Put a buy stop in on that FVG.
Huh? You took a buy stop on what?
Oh, sorry, a buy limit on that FVG. Oh, if it stays in FVG.
For what, NASDAQ?
Yeah.
Oh, you did a buy limit?
Oh no, sorry, buy limit. Yeah, no, it's not yet. I will do if it doesn't. No, it's coming back down again now.
You don't do buy stops?
Buy limit. Sorry, did I say buy stop?
No, I was saying you don't do buy stops?
Oh no, just buy limit is when you want it to come back down to your price, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now it's creating an FV, nice little fair value gap here on the 5 minute, which I'm liking.
I was told based off how I trade, it's best for me to do buy stops or sell stops, and I was like, damn, that actually makes sense.
Buy stop is when you want it to go to go up to say you're going up
area, yeah, and then
an area, and then it'll enter. Where buy limit is where it'll come back down to your area.
Yeah, because I see with me, I need to see price already move before I get in. That's why I'd rather do a buy stop than a limit order, because and I could do limit orders, don't get me wrong, but it's just a lot more requirement for me in order to do a limit order. So like, I don't know.
Be confident. Yeah, and you gotta be confident in your analysis that the area it's coming back down to is just an order block or an FVG, isn't it?
I feel like you really gotta make sure you know structure. If anybody here is doing limit orders, you gotta be on your P's and Q's with structure. Like, you gotta understand structure.
Yeah.
And it could be any structural thing, strategy, y'all know, fair value gaps, order blocks, POI levels, areas of interest, support resistance. Y'all just gotta really be tapped into structure. So, but yeah, we took that high out. Now I just see.
Yeah, went down then up, didn't it?
It's just a scary side for today.
Weren't we talking before about trying to match up your bot with buy stops or buy limits or whatever?
Yeah, that's exactly what I was getting at too. With exactly what I was getting at. Mike, man, I just got so much going on. All I really want to tell you is I'm working on like a whole EA, man. I'm working on an EA as well. Like, we just found a developer, and we're out teaming up, honestly, to develop this EA that's going to trade just like me and others. And we're just going to do a lot of back testing first, paper trading first to test it out. and then we're going to use that EA to build up a couple of FTMO accounts, Funded Pro accounts, and then scale it from there, and then take it to the public, like, you know, take it to the public where we're offering like subscriptions for people to use it. But that's what we're doing. There's two other things that I'm doing as well.
Wow.
I think I already told you, Mike, too. I don't know. I feel like I told you. I don't know if I did or not. I was talking about being an affiliate, but yeah. It's just a lot of legal paperwork that I'm trying to get situated now.
Well, I'm sure all the funded prop companies or whatever are scrambling, get all their P's and Q's ready just in case.
So yeah, I want to talk about that. So the thing about that, man, is that the states and Canada kind of, I don't know if, I guess the regulations may be the same, but it may seem like it is. But the fact is that the reason why my Forex fund, you know, got deemed for what they got deemed for, obviously was because they started picking up to their BS, for one. But for two is that they are registered in Canada, right? And being registered in Canada or even in the States requires a lot of legal documentation and paperwork that you have to present every month to every year to the government. If you're starting any financial institution, rather if that's a prop firm, a hedge fund, regardless. And the thing is, based off me doing my research, because, you know, I'm actually, like I told you guys, I can say this part. We are starting a prop firm. We are starting a prop firm, but we're trying to do it the right way, and that's why we're working on a crazy legal team right now to figure this all out. But based off what they told me and based off the research we have done, if you're trying to start a prop firm and get it registered in the States, I believe the requirement for capital needs to at least bare minimum be 20 million. So if you want to start any brokerage or any prop firm or any financial institution, you have to at least have a capital of 20 million. And then on top of that, you have to follow against a lot of these protocols with when it comes to leveraging, when it comes to who you bring in as a trader and so forth. And my Forex fund, they just basically didn't follow any of that, right?
Yeah, I've got to, sorry to interrupt. Yeah, I've got to go. I'm going to go and get my kids. I'll see you in a bit.
Okay. All right, I'll see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
All right, peace, man. But yeah,
See you, Neil.
And that basically is what's happening with my Forex fund. And then also, now I'm not gonna lie, guys, there's other brokers out here and other prop firms out here that's doing the same thing my Forex fund is. It's just, I guess my Forex funds was just one of it was a top two. Apparently they made $310 million in November 22, and that's when they had created a software to make Forex traders fail, or traders in general fail their challenges. And that's crazy. But that's why I tell you guys all the time, this is why I don't like putting a stop loss into a lot of I just don't like putting stop losses while I'm physically watching the trade, because years when I've been doing it, I realized, like, yo, I just got stopped. Like, literally, I felt like that was really just, it was against me, because I was, every time I got in the trade and put my stop loss there, I would watch it and I would literally see it do that and then do that, and I'm just like, okay. And then I do it again, okay. And I realized when I stopped doing it, it does go up still, right? Because a lot of other people had their stop loss in that broker there, right? But then it will instantly drop. This is why I like to keep my stop loss open, because brokers do that. And it's crazy that my Forex fund literally just opened up everybody's eye. And it just proved my point to y'all that I'm genuinely trying to tell you that this is legitimate. And I know a lot of y'all say Forex can be a scam, but this goes with any broker that you're dealing with that is not regulated. And this is why I sometimes like unregulated brokers and regulated brokers, is because they do have these rules where you can, like, they got rules where you're able, what up, Mike? Welcome back. They got rules where you can essentially do more and make more because of the leverage. But then also you do got the other side, that dark side as well, where it could be like, they gonna just take your money. They gonna be in for against, you know, and just start taking your money. But that's true, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, trying to tell y'all. So
yeah, I can't remember if it was you mentioning it or if it was Fabian or somebody else, but that $300 million that they made, I think that was just based on entry fees, and they were actually using that money to pay out any payouts. Like they didn't actually have actual funds in the market or whatever. Like everybody was on a demo account where they thought they were on a real account, and so, they were just being.
Yep.
It's. I mean, it's just messed up.
And that's what I'm saying. That's what's happening. Like the states, Canada, they're picking up to the BS right now. And for anybody that has a prop firm registered in these countries, they're going to be on the P's and Q's. They're going to be on a ASS because, like I said, man, that's basically what it was. Like, and it's crazy that they made that much money. Oh my gosh, like that is crazy. So like they said, my Forex funds was top 1 and FTMO was top 2. So if my Forex funds were making 300 million, I can only imagine what FTMO is making. It's crazy.
I'm just wondering if there was a whistleblower or somebody in there. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah, that.
Some disgruntled employee said, "You know what? You're done."
That's crazy. News in 4 minutes, y'all.
Yeah, I'm already seeing reactions to the news right now.
Hey, the 1% has been asking about you and your EA. He wants to know where they can tune into all of that.
smc.120dreamers.com. I'll see if I can drop it in chat for y'all. Got y'all.
Yeah, I don't trade news no more either, guys. I'm done trading news. Like me trading during the news is over with. That's a rule I got to put in my notebook. I didn't, but it's a new rule.
Looks like oil wants to take out the highs from the opening of Asian session last night.
Bro, Mike, I don't know what I gotta give y'all 2 different names, man. All right, 120. That's what I'm calling you, man. I'm just saying 120. Mike, man. By the way, your channel, I know you can't really speak too much on it, but hit me up on that, Mike. Oh, and 120, you gotta post yours too once you get it going.
The channel?
Yeah, your channel too.
Yeah, I'm still working on mine.
Okay.
You think? I mean, PMI. That's not going to really mess with oil, will it? The PMI news.
Not with oil.
So the oil going up must have just been for market opening then.
Yeah. Very disappointed in oil.
Did I hear earlier that Neil doesn't trade oil anymore?
Nope.
He was like the granddaddy of oil.
Yeah, he's who put me on oil. For real.
Man, I'd still be in a trade with US30 right now if news wasn't coming up.
Yeah. It's crazy because they were so quick to ban people if you disputed a payment. Oh, dang. My Forex funds was that Grammy. Sheesh. They were going crazy. Yo, Sway, I don't know if Sway's still in here, but I know Sway had a funded account with them, man. And I know it's unfortunate that for those that had that 500K account, that $1 million account they've been building from day one with my Forex funds, just to wake up out of nowhere and be like, you no longer getting money and you got to start all over with the prop firm. And then not even that, like your mental is just, like you just feel discouraged as far as trusting any prop firm. And I get it, man. And it's crazy. But one thing I do say is that, never put your eggs in one basket, right? Because nothing's guaranteed in life, right? Y'all know this. The same thing with working a job, right? You can sit here and say, oh, I got the best job in the world, but you can go to work tomorrow and be like, hey, we fired, or you're fired, or hey, Fortunately, we're not making any money. We're gonna have to go bankrupt, stop doing business, and so forth. So that's why I tell you guys, like, y'all see me sometimes will switch different brokers or whatnot, but y'all, I got money in iSpring, Henko, and KOT Forex. Ah man, if y'all knew what we know. Jesus. But yeah, man. Yeah, just gotta sometimes gotta just put your money in different baskets. So, being a safe side.
Well, and I think the thing too is, what my plan is to use any profits out of a prop firm and just put that into a personal one.
Yes, that's another thing too. I heard somebody actually mention that. Like, take your money out of a you know what? Actually, 120. One of your students has said that in your live ring ceremony you did. One of your students was like, he wanted to take money out his live Forex, or what is it, his funded account, and then put it into his live account. And you had a couple students that said that. I think that's the smartest thing to do.
Yeah, facts. That's the way they do it,
Yeah.
It's like you said, these prop firms, you don't know what they gonna do,
Right. Because I feel like if anybody here wants to continue to trade, just whatever money you make out of trading, your funded account, just put it into a personal account. But if you one of those cats that that got other business adventures you want to do, make your million off of funded accounts and just put it into some other venture. Just
Oh man,
just don't make it a 9 to 5. That's all I gotta say.
30's dumping again.
Oh,
Lose it.
I'm looking at it. It just froze on my end.
Oh shit! Damn.
What the fuck?
Oh shit!
Yo, why the US30 froze?
Damn, did y'all see British pound? Did exactly what I said it's gonna do.
Are you still in it?
I'm out now.
Yeah, British pound's gone.
Holy
shit! That's what we needed right there, man.
Talk about news. PMI. Oh my gosh. Man.
Dollars just took off.
Wow, that's fucked up. Wow, look at that, bro. This just this broker. What broker is this? Black Bull. Let me go to Capital.
Wow. Oh man.
Mike, I know you just made it. I mean, Mr. 120, I know you just made some good ass money.
Oh yeah, man. I love when it's snappy like this too, so like my money pronto, expeditiously.
What pair were you in?
I'm swing trading British pounds.
Oh wow.
So I think when we got on here earlier, it was at like 46. Right now it's at what, 55?
It's blurry.
Real quick. Hold on, I got you. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna close this trade real soon. I've been holding for a while, so.
That's crazy. Was this the EA that took it, or was this you that took the trade?
This was me.
Whew, it's still a little blurry, but okay. 55. Whew.
Of course, it's live.
Yeah, bro, you better withdraw that from that damn account.
I will.
We hitting a lot today.
Well, we're dropping a down payment on.
That's fire, man. Oh my gosh, look at Euro USD, GU.
They coming in, boys. Coming in now.
Golly, boy, talk about.
Oh yeah, that's because the dollar just skyrocketed.
You know what I actually want to do? You know, a reasonable challenge, like another challenge I want to do? I want to do a 500K prop firm challenge. I don't do too many prop firm challenges because y'all know how I am with it, but I like it. What? I'm going to have to hit up Funder Pro and see if they can give me that. If they do a 500K. Mike, what are you doing? 25K right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta say, Solo, your YouTube videos have really like gotten pretty cool lately, as far as like all the graphics and stuff.
Thank you, man. I've been invested a lot of money into different people. So I had hired me an editor, I hired me an SEO manager, and I even hired me a marketing manager.
Well, they did a good job.
I've been investing a lot of money into my YouTube channel. A lot. But I appreciate that a lot, man. That just goes to show that the money is being used properly.
Oh yeah, I mean, I could see just like I said, all the graphics come up and it looks a lot more polished. Not that your other ones were bad, but it just looks more polished now. You know what I mean?
Appreciate that.
So you're gonna be renting your studio out like by the hour or something, or by the day, or how do you plan on doing that?
So yeah, we're renting it out by the hour right now, and we got package deals we're offering too. So like maybe 2-3 hours you get this deal. You want to come and do one episode, you can do this. Come back, do another one, you can do this. So we're basically renting out per hour. And then once we get the trading floor going, we're gonna be renting out per desk. Like you have your own little operating desk if you ever want to just come through and just chill.
Cool. And you supply all the equipment and everything. Does that supply also like people, or everyone just has to bring in their own cameraman or whatever?
No, we got all the equipment. All you gotta do is show what you and your guests or just yourself, and boom, you walk right out with the footage.
Nice.
I gotta attest publicly. I'm personal experience of it. It's a blast. Like, I mean, I that's how we met, through the space. And like I said before, my first impression of it, I found the space, and I was doing a lot of different spaces, but his stood out because of, for one, the experience, the space, the way it looked, but then what he offered. I think I told him it stood out because you gotta think about it. If somebody's booking a 2-3 hour session, like you asked, most times they not putting cameras and everything else included with that package. So E does that with his Black Experience Studios, and like I said, with this last Saturday and whatnot, I mean, hell of an experience. Like, I mean, can't wait to book it again. I mean, I don't have to hire no cameraman. None of that stuff is already there.
Like this was his event, y'all. We had like a ring ceremony, bro. This guy gave out diamond rings to his students, bro. You outdid everything. I was like, I gotta do this to my community because it just makes sense. Like, you just killed it right there. I was like, I definitely gotta do something like that. So yeah, man, I will eventually be bringing in my community to the space. Introduce the educational traders there and all of that stuff. That was really cool what you did.
Hey, you start giving out.
I know. What you about to say, Mike?
I was gonna say, Sally, you start giving out rings and stuff. Don't forget about your past students, dude.
Oh yeah, no,
I definitely don't.
Yeah, no, definitely, no.
I'm messing with you.
I'm gonna definitely, give it out to a lot. Old students, new students. So yeah, that's definitely for sure. Look at today. It's just what is going on. That's all I want to say. Mike, you got any trades too or no?
I've been kind of just sitting here watching US30 bounce between two zones now. I'm just waiting to see if things are going to start settling down. I was looking at the dollar's coming back down, so I guess GU and all those are going to be going back up. So I'm trying
to see if there's anything that needs to be fulfilled, unfulfilled, or not unfulfilled, but fulfilled, so I can just get an idea.
US30, I know for sure, like you said, they broke those lows, so right now we got some gaps to fill. So I mean, you could take some buys for sure and be profitable right now, because we got, I mean, all the way up to a 3-4-700. You'll be safe into that range. But me personally, I'll be waiting to sell at that area. But definitely some buys kicking in right now.
Yeah, there ain't no structure though.
No, not yet. I wouldn't even jump in right now.
Yeah. Man, I used to scalp. Man, I was scalping 1 minute on 30 like it was no tomorrow. And because the nice thing about US30 is right when New York hits And if it's dropping, 90 times out of 10, it's just gonna continue to drop. You just gotta find the right area to enter. And trying to see if I can find a couple. Yeah, I mean, like, let me just throw these sessions in here so y'all can understand. So like y'all see, New York is this blue mark right here. So if you can figure out the direction once you know, man, you could just scalp 1 minute all day, every day. That's literally what I was doing. Scalping 1 minute, scalping 1 minute. After it comes back into some of these midpoints, POI levels, just scalp it, wait on a double top, go for candles, wick rejections, whatever. Another one right here, you know. So that's kind of what I'm trying to figure out what's going on right now for New York for this session. See if we can get that same concept.
Well, US30, if you look to the left on the higher time frames, it has a lot of POIs it could hit on the way down. So
Facts.
But overall, and again, we go back to you just look at the moment. Overall, it's bullish. Like even on the 8 hour, I don't look at the daily, but so it's kind of bullish. But right now, it's bearish, and on the 1 minute, I don't know what it is.
It's definitely a downtrend. Oh, it's consolidating now, but
yeah, it's taking a breather from the news. So do you guys think news like ruins a structure, or does it kind of just set up a whole new structure?
Okay, I've seen it help it. Help it move a little faster.
Hold on, y'all. Let me hold on, y'all. Give me 1 second.
But yeah, I've definitely seen it help structure, if anything.
Help structure.
Yeah, like with this British pound, when we first got on, I was looking at sales because it already broke, retested, and it was just consolidating at the retest. And I was like, when we just jumped on earlier around 7, I was like, yeah, this thing gonna fall. And right after news hit, it just, it obeyed structure,
Yeah, but couldn't news, depending on what the news is, kind of go in the opposite direction?
Oh yeah, for sure. That's why you got to be quick in and out. In some cases, you can't just sit there all day with them. Because I think right now this thing is spiking back up.
Yeah, it looks like I guess it has to fill all that, the big drop, come back and fill it all back up again.
Definitely on their way back up.
So you have a website or something, or a YouTube channel? I mean,
yeah. If you type in 120, just spell out 120 Dreamers, no space. I do have a YouTube channel, and then I'm gonna send the website to share with everybody so they can get more information. Yeah.
Yo,
on getting more active with the marketing piece, man, because I'm more behind the scenes, man. So
yeah.
Bro, that picture's so fire, man. You gotta show me where you get that picture at.
I got you, man. I'm gonna get you your own picture, bro.
Yeah, I need one. That's fire. Like, I got this Bitcoin one back here. I don't even trade Bitcoin no more.
I'll take it. Put that one right here.
I got one in my living room that says, what did it say? There's only 1% or something like that. So I think I was gonna replace this one with the 1% and put the Bitcoin over there. Or I think it's I'm the 1%, something like that. All right, guys. So the news is done. So this basically means time for some entries, man. Time for some entries. Is there anybody here that trades during news? Is there anybody here that trades during news? Y'all don't trade during news. Let me know if y'all trade during the news. Yes or no? There used to be a cool little strategy I used to do when trading during the news, but never again. I think I was just making stuff up just to convince myself I should trade during the news.
I mean, news, isn't that like pretty much like a 50-50 chance depending on what the news is?
I don't like those 50-50s. I need a 60-40. That'd be the problem.
Oh, yeah.
I can't do a 50-50. It's too, puts me in a bad position mentally.
Yeah, there was one YouTube guy that I was watching. He does a lot of, he mainly trades NAS, and before he starts even looking at NAS, he checks the what is it, the MSNBC or whatever the business news website, just to see if there's anything interesting going on, since it's kind of like a, you know, techie kind of stuff. I thought that was kind of a good idea. I mean, we always check the news on my what is it, website, Forex Factory and stuff
Forex
like that, but
Factory.
he checks actual news like MSNBC or CNBC or whatever, just to see if there's anything interesting going on with like specific, especially something like Tesla. Like all of a sudden Tesla comes out with a new model, you know, stocks are going to go up and it's going to affect NAS probably, or whatever, when they deal with US30.
Right.
So what's the 120 stand for? Is that like 120 days or something?
Great question. I get that a lot too. No, so it's mainly based on where I grew up at. And my grandmother, she had a home, the 120, the address was 120 North LeClaire. So she basically manifested her being in this house like to a T, you know, how she described it. She used to tell us the story all the time, like, man, when I was living in, you know, little girl, I want to stay in the house next to a church, you know, where the bells ring. And I know it sounds crazy, but this is the dreams that they had. You know, my grandma was born 1934, rest in peace. And she manifested that, you know, and it's still there to this day, like the house, and there's an alley, and then it's a church right there. The bells ring still to this day. It was a school, and it's still a school and a church. And how ironic that my parents went there, I went there. A lot of us in my family went to that exact school, right, you know, next to our house. And she was a big entrepreneur, you know, and she was a big person that inspired me hands-on up front with all of it. So 120 Dreams was inspired by her and that story, and her manifesting it and showing me up close like how it really is, you know, being an entrepreneur. So yeah, she's a big inspiration.
That's awesome.
Hey E, what you think about the $1 thing for the community? You think they enjoy that?
That'd be fire, man. We definitely gonna talk more about it because I want to figure out a way to introduce it. You know, definitely gonna talk more about it because I like that. Cause
I sent you a link when you get a chance.
All right, because I also want to, you know, bring upon something too, so we can just collab on that part because that's gonna be fire.
Yep, the US30 can break these lower highs. We can see these see some new highs happening. So I got my eyes on that one right now.
Yeah, I'm waiting on structure to break that lower, really this low. See what it wants to do from there. If it wants to pull back, hopefully enter. But we're choppy still, man. We're still trying to calm itself from the news.
So you may be looking for sales.
Yeah, I'm looking for sales. You looking for what? You looking for buys?
Yeah, I was looking for sales too.
I can see why y'all looking for that. Yeah, quick in and out sale.
I'm
Yeah,
in and out. I was about to tell you, I'm like in and out, in and
no, I
out, in
already
and
know.
out.
I already know. I already know. I can see it because, like, yeah, that gap right there. Y'all got what, a good 20 points for it hit that zone. Start selling because we right at the round numbers too. So I mean, we right there. We not far off. So yeah, I definitely see the sales.
Yeah, man, I love scalping 1 minute on 30, man. This is the time I spend from 9 a.m. all the way up to noon, just scalping. I wonder if I got the old.
Being a scalper for me, a swing trade is like being in a trade for an hour. It's like okay.
Damn, I don't got my old trades in here, do I? No, I didn't record them. Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, man, and we have news too.
We got more news?
Yeah, man.
I thought we done with news.
No, I mean, is that what? I think it was the one at 10 o'clock, whatnot. I think, right? Yeah. The IBM, if I'm not mistaken. Whoever that was. Yeah, man, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing just go crazy. The PMI, I mean. So yeah.
Oh, that happened already.
Yeah, it already happened, but it's a late reaction though.
Yeah, no, that was that PMI right or GU. When that PMI hit, that was it. I was looking for buys for US30, but might take some buys. Yeah, it can go both ways right now. We did form nice structure here. But you do also want to remember, guys, you got to follow what you see as far as structure too. Kind of just go from there.
Lower lows, lower highs. Definitely not bad.
Yeah, I'm doing a super quick scalp. I just did a sell on US30 for about 10 seconds and made it $70.
Wait, you did what? I
just did a super quick scalp on 30, just a quick sell. It took about 10 seconds and made like $70. And I'm out.
You're going crazy.
Yeah, just like a robbing a bank, literally.
Hey, do y'all use the ADX?
I used to.
Just to kind of see what volume is?
No, I used to.
The only indicator that I have on here right now is the EMA, and I barely even use that. I'm trying not to mess with indicators.
Yeah, me neither. I just use that one, just kind of see, like, volume kicking in and whatnot, where we at.
Because I'll see some videos. Oh, this indicator will give you a 98% win rate or whatever. So I'll backtest it.
Man.
I know I'll backtest it for a while. It's like, okay, I got 2 wins and 10 losses. Where the hell's this guy talking about? You know?
Yeah, I hate when people do that.
Because they all they repaint or they lag. I mean, it's just like.
Jeez, I remember they still do repaint. Man, they still do that repaint indicators.
I mean, some of them do.
I remember I invested into one. That joint repainted a couple of times. I was mad. I was like, what the hell? I gotta revamp my I won't say necessarily strategy, but I gotta revamp how to start looking at oil, because Mike, I don't know if you was in when we was talking about it. What the hell? 30's been dropping. I ain't even been paying attention.
Yeah, I should have stayed in my thing. I just did a quick in and out, and I'm looking at it like, it'll come back up. Maybe. Anyway, you're talking about oil doing what?
Yeah, I was saying that I gotta start revamping my oil strategize as far as, or let me say this. I have to reconsider how I enter in oil because of how it's been moving since August. Oh, was it August? Hold on, it might be sooner. Well, no, not sooner. It was later actually. Yeah, starting the end of August, it's just been honestly not even that, man. Since June, this is actually what this is actually what Neil was saying earlier. Why he don't trade oil anymore is because the structure hasn't really been the same. It's starting to act like NASDAQ a little bit, which is cool, right? But for those that don't know, the reason why I love oil so much is because if you missed out on one opportunity, you will always usually get a second opportunity, and it'll be a simple pull and then enter. And let's say you missed out on that one, you get another pull and enter. What has been happening is that we just been getting nothing but just upwards move. And then this was super random right here, where like even if you look at this on a higher scale, you have no structure here, right? Absolutely no structure here. It's just all random. And it wasn't even a news event. It came out after the fact, which I tell you guys all the time. You can never trust the market, right? Never trust the market. But seeing that this had happened just threw everything off for me, because I'm just like, what the hell is going on? Like, I see no structure here to tell me that. I don't see no wicks. I just see one large candle and nothing else. And then here I'm looking at it like, well, hey, I know we've been going up obviously on a higher scale, but we have been breaking structure. But even the structure that we've been breaking, like, it's not even proper structure to me. So like right now, this is a gold thing right here. This is all gold does. Like, it just goes straight up, straight down, goes straight up, straight down, up and straight down. And it doesn't really give you structure as far as a scalper. So
yeah, I was gonna say, kind of reminds me of gold a little bit there. Well, they say oil's a black gold, so
yeah.
because I know you were killing it for a while there.
Yeah. Still not stopping me though. I'm gonna still tap into what
Well, like you said, you just gotta kind of figure out its new game plan, you know.
Yeah. It's part of dapping with the market.
Absolutely.
Damn, man. We doing nice right now at 30, but I'm waiting on the pool. By the way, guys, if you have not already, like this video, man. Like this video for sure, guys.
Hey, did you ever get hooked up with that 13-year-old kid?
He was supposed to be doing a podcast soon.
Oh, cool.
I don't know if he's still in Chicago. I know he was in Chicago, but I told him to come to the space so we can do it, but his parents like, nah. Because his parents trade too.
Yeah. Oh, that would be an amazing interview.
Yeah.
Damn. Crazy. One of these guys ran it up 13K in just 1 week. That's crazy. Damn.
Yeah, after I said that about the 13-year-old, I heard what I said, and it didn't sound right.
All right, we listen to Christmas music. Wow, we just went straight down to these lows. Ooh, I was trying to get in before I actually hit that low. Just not reading the comments. Y'all funny.
We're probably gonna bounce off that 34,400 level if they do give us a bounce. If it slows down, but we shall see.
Yeah, that's a demand level. I
Big
don't know.
too.
Yeah. I'd rather do a sell because that's kind of like the way the trend's going.
Here come that retrace. It's gonna be a quick one. Get ready, y'all. Y'all ready?
What we doing?
I'm just saying it's about to be a retest to them recent lows. It's to be an opportunity to get in for a quick sell. Yeah, look at that. See if we get a nice little reaction to these previous lows.
I don't know. I'm not trusting the market today for some apparent reason. It's just not. I ain't
It's not
feeling
giving
it.
you what you want.
I ain't feeling it. I think the oil fucked up my mental.
Yeah, I don't know what 30 wants to do.
Yeah, they definitely going back up to feed them gaps though.
I hate sitting there watching it go up and say, I should have got in. I should have got in. As you're watching it run away.
The bot hasn't even called out nothing. That's crazy. That's how weird it's been.
Your bot's afraid of the news.
You know what? It called out a what did it call out? Let me see. Set up for 1:45 a.m. What time was that? Yeah, that wasn't it.
Yeah, you got to do a video on how to use the bot.
Yeah, so the reason why I haven't been slacking is because I've really been trying to like perfect it so everyone can understand it. So I have been doing like backtesting on a bunch of ones that's been called out, and I'm gonna just put them all together.
Oh, okay, cool. I don't think there is a name for the bot. Basically, it's just in the VIP section. We just call it the bot. Somebody was asking what the name of it was.
Yeah, man, I just call it's just the solo bot, honestly. For now, it's honestly a beta bot, really, not even a full product, but it's working though.
Once you get it perfected, called the ATM machine, man. It's giving you money.
The e-bot, the ATM machine, that's fire.
And everything kind of come to a halt.
Oh shit, on your leaders. Y'all, who here knows what on your leaders is? Y'all familiar with on your leaders?
Oh yeah, big time podcast.
Yeah, bro. They literally got a wow. They got a video talking about my Forex funds, 300 million fraud. Damn.
Yeah, they do. What is that? Market Mondays or something like that.
Yep, Market Mondays. But I'm sending y'all the video. Damn. Brought to their attention too. They're big.
I didn't know that they was that big. I thought FTMO was the biggest, but I guess not.
Yeah, that's crazy. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, my Forex funds is about to open up so many people's eyes. What the hell? All right, y'all know I don't like. Hold on. I don't know what's going on, man, but I'm just like, let me show y'all something, bro. This is funny. Only on YouTube. What is this? Is that a bull or somebody fucking cut? What the hell is this?
Oh man. He has it in the car with him.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I'm weak, man. I can see fucking YouTube, man. So that was in Nebraska. You said my Forex fund had one damn, I can't even say the number. 170. How? I thought they had the whole 300. I thought they had the whole 300. Like that was all theirs. Where are you getting this information from? So I was Hey, that's what's up, Herbs. Fire. You're not interested in prop firms anymore? That's fire.
Yeah. Oh man.
Don't have much of a journal today.
Ain't nothing to journal today. Oh, Mike, I know I told you I was gonna give you access to our journal, but we're actually revamping the whole thing, so there's not really much to show or to really present right now.
Oh, no worries.
Like, yeah, we revamping the whole journal, y'all, because we working with a new developer for our journal, because our journal, I'm not I don't know. I just don't want to put it out there and open. But yeah, we're not really satisfied with the developer and what's going on with that. But we are working on a whole new back end of this journal and how it operates. But for sure, for now, yeah, you can add a trade. You can integrate it with Trade Locker, you know, MT4, MT5. You can definitely do that. But
that's what I'm looking forward to, is you don't even have to like really enter it. I mean, if it pulls it automatically from your trades, that's sweet.
Yeah, exactly. So you'll be able to pull, you'll be able to see it. So yeah.
So now the old one that was basically an Excel, like a well, I should say fancy because it's really cool. Excel sheet, can that be put into the new one, or the new one you got to kind of start from scratch?
Yeah, you can put the new one in there. Yep, you can import the Excel into the journal.
Oh, nice.
Yep. Man.
I don't know, so you're way above the curve with all this stuff you got coming out, and you're already working on. Jeez, compared to other traders that I watch.
Yeah, man, we got a lot coming. Definitely say that. So you definitely got to stay tuned for that, you know.
I think what's crazy is there's a lot of these YouTubers, they'll have their own Discord and stuff like that, and then you go on their Discord and they're never on it. You know, they sell you. I mean, they have free sides of it and then paid. And though I was on the paid side on one of them before I met yours, and he was never there. It was like, okay, you'd think the expert would at least visit his Discord and answer some questions and stuff, but I mean, you're like one of the few that's really active in the Discord and answering and everything as kind of like the owner of the thing, which is awesome.
That's dope to hear that, man. You know, glad to hear that. Definitely want to make sure I stay as active as much as I can and continue to be active to the community. The course, yeah, so I realized that there was some videos I hadn't even uploaded in the improved section of the scalpers course that I gotta upload. So 30 is pulling, but it ain't giving me my setup.
Yeah, it didn't even pull back to the 50%, the midpoint.
I already know we got divergence, I can tell. Yeah, coming. You got to get better at taking profits. How long have some of y'all been trading? I got a question for y'all. How long have y'all been trading? Three months? 6 months? 9 months? How long have y'all been trading? Let me know.
E360 is all good, brother. Everybody got their own timeline when you profitable. You know, when they click, it clicks. You know, no matter how long you've been doing it. If I told y'all my story, y'all probably didn't believe me.
How long?
Would it only take you about a week?
I wish, man.
Anybody here had a their first year beginner's luck? Anybody had a beginner's luck? 3 years not profitable yet. 2 years. And you said 10 years and you're not getting it. You said no.
Keep going, y'all. Keep going, y'all. Y'all got this. Keep going. I promise.
Yeah.
If you stuck it out 3 years, 10 years, you right around the corner to being profitable. It's probably one single thing you miss. I promise you.
I've never had any luck. Nobody here had like any beginner's luck at all? No? Y'all had any luck in trading at all? Meaning like there was a time where you maybe got in one trade and you maybe forgot you was in it and then came back, realized you tripled your account?
The only one I know who did that for sure was Patrick.
Oh man. Yo, Mr. 120, we gotta tell you this story of one of our educational traders. This guy, was he trading in front of the counter or person? I can't remember. But this is true story, funniest story ever. Were we live, Mike, or no? Were we like in the session?
No, yeah, we were you were live.
Okay. All right. So check this out. We were live and we was in our session, VIP session, and we was talking about a trade, and I think it was probably during the news or the news was about to start, something like that. And he accidentally took a 15, it was something crazy, lot size on an indice, I think.
Yeah.
And but he accidentally took a lot size he was not supposed to, and it went in his favor. And I think he said he made how much off that trade, Mike? You remember?
Oh, it was thousands. I mean, like a lot. I think it was enough that he went on vacation.
So
for a
yeah,
month.
check this
we
out.
Didn't see him.
So he literally made a lot of money off the trade. And then I think 2 weeks after that or a week after that, we never heard from him for like probably like 4 or 6 months. And I haven't hit him up on the side like, yo, what's going on? And he not really been responding to me. And then he just all of a sudden hit me up and he was like, man, my bad, bro. I don't know if you remember that trade I took. I decided just to take a crazy vacation and just chill in the beach in the water. And I'm just like, wow, that's crazy. So yeah, this is why I love trading, guys, is because you can have opportunities like that. You know, Grant, obviously that wasn't something he wasn't trying to do, but you know, you got these situations where you can make as much as you can. Like you can make as much as you want with trading. There's no limitations. No limitations. Because I think he probably made like 80 or 100K. I can't remember. It was something crazy.
Yeah, it was something good.
Off of one trade. I'm just like, bro. And it took seconds because of the news had hit.
Yeah.
I'm just like, bro. But he did the right thing, though. He did the right thing.
That was funny.
Yeah, it was. It was. We were live streaming too, and it was the most funniest thing ever. You doubled your account, but I got one more other question. Who here ever double, triple their account? Maybe it might have been 1 week, your second month, your first month, or I don't know. Anybody here ever doubled their account before? From 100 to 200, 300, 500 to 1,000? Had anyone here ever doubled their account? So, Tommy, you saying something facts right now. And that's actually what I'm about to get into right now, is that I'm asking who here actually doubled their account before, because I want to ask y'all this question. For those that doubled their account, did y'all do that again? Was it only one time? Was it a one-time thing? Wow, 30 is just dropping. Was it a one-time thing?
I'm waiting for it to pull back to something so I can get in.
Yeah. Somebody said 10 times. Well, I missed this US30 shell. Yeah, but you lost it all a few times so far. Yeah.
You gotta withdraw them profits even when you compounding. You gotta withdraw, man.
Yo, Neil, get back on the stream real quick. We still active. We gonna be in here for a couple more 15, 30 more minutes. I don't know. We trying to get y'all knowledge.
People go wrong at with these flips. 2K to 35 took almost 4 months. Hey, man, I think that's where they go wrong. If you don't withdraw, it don't count.
Facts. I was just trying to say that I said this before. Like, so many people made so much money with their broker, but how much or how many of y'all actually made money with actually withdrawing money from your account? Like, not a lot. A lot of y'all grew accounts. A lot of y'all been consistent with it, but how many of y'all actually withdrew the money? Because I said this before. Like, I don't know if you remember this, but I was like, it's a different mental to withdraw money as well as making the money in your account. Because y'all will have a rule like, oh, I'm gonna do 500 to 1,000, but the moment you get to 1,000, you're like, shit, that was easy. Let me do 1,000 to 10,000. Who here ever took money out their trading account, and how much? If y'all have an idea of like a total amount. Shit down. You just got funded with my Forex funds and just down. That's fucked up. So you withdraw 627, 100. You're compounding. But have you ever withdrawn money from your account? You said 25 to 1,800. Had you ever withdrawn money from your account? 5,000.
Okay, Monique, girl. I love seeing women in the space. Okay.
We got a couple in here too.
Hey, I love to see that.
2,000 a day.
That's consistency if you can do that.
I'd like to know what size accounts they all have.
Now some of y'all saying y'all did only 1,000. Biggest withdrawal was 12K, 15K,
Okay.
500. $100K account. Uh-oh, here we go with the gold. Y'all, I don't like gold. Not a big fan of gold.
Yeah, it looks like oil took a big drop.
This the liquidity phase right here. Fuck this liquidity phase, bro. Any of y'all using Trade Locker to trade? Or y'all using MT4, MT5 still? Or do y'all use both? Or
We
any
should
other
start using
platform?
both.
You said you started using both?
Yeah, put a little money in there just to kind of test it out. It's not bad though.
No, not at all.
But like I
MT4,
think I think when Trade Locker start coming about with the different coders and stuff like that, then they're gonna make some noise, you know. But
Facts.
because like you say, you know, MT4, MT5, they still have they, you know, niche, you know, because of what they built and how they differentiate themselves. So
Facts.
I think Trade Locker can do that too.
I see oil is it's actually doing a liquidity phase, so it is gonna take this low out. But we did break the highs out first, and we still are technically going up, so it could be a possibility of it maybe pulling back in this area here, dropping down, and then possibly heading up from there. No, I got out of oil a long time ago. Shout out to you, Instant Profit. The longest I stayed in one trade that was profitable that I can remember 2 days. I was nervous though. Y'all know me. Because I seen the bigger picture, and seeing the bigger picture just kind of just put me in this position where I was able to hold the trade for one because I moved my stops to some profit and it never had hit it. So I'm just like, shit, I'm gonna just stay in this trade as long as I can till it hit the bigger, like, I mean, what I mean by bigger picture is like, I'll take my fibs from here to here, and let's say I was in this buy. Let's just say that this was a solid buy. You know, my stops would have been here, and the trade still would have just been pushing and pushing until it came all the way up to the fib point. You said, Pete. So I remember that gold trade you did, which hit 5R overnight, like half. Whew, that's when me and gold was babes. I honestly do want to get back to trading gold. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I really do, man. And it's crazy because I I just feel like the way I used to trade gold, I have to trade it differently. Like I have to be an intraday trader and not a scalper with gold, because I'm telling anybody here that scalps gold, you're going to have a problem where you see red and blue, because the consolidations is not like your NASDAQ. It's not like your Forex pairs. It's not like this. It's like this, dramatic. Y'all see every time market consolidates, look at this. Consolidation. Like, it just makes sense to trade 15-30 minute on gold. And I actually talked about this on our previous Sunday call we did, where I had mentioned, guys, we broke this hourly structure right here. We're probably going to reflect off of this range. Y'all remember, you always want to pay attention to the most recent range. And I had my Fibonacci point in this area, this gray box that we drew out, and I was like, guys, this is probably the area we're going to get to pulling right back down. And that's exactly what happened. So gold is doing exactly what we predicted to do. And one thing I am realizing with gold right now is that it makes perfect sense to trade gold as an intraday trader. So I have been low-key trying to figure it out and thinking if I want to get back with it, because I do want to start doing intraday moves. And if so, it will be with gold. Because like I said, for me, if I wanted to, I don't know if I would have did an hour entry, but a 15-minute entry for sure, I would have waited on structure to break, which we technically did all here. Waited on a pullback, get a nice little setup. This probably would have been an entry here. I could have TP1 would have easily been here. And then, you know, if I wanted to ride this jump, Jesus Christ, you know, we can TP2 here, TP3, TP4, and just ride it to a Fibonacci point. Interesting. Breaking structures every time it breaks the previous structure, breaks the previous high or breaks the previous low. I just feel like the 15 minute is way more convenient for very volatile pairs. Hell, I used to trade US30 on the 15 minute. So I discovered what I could do with the 1 minute. Yeah, I gotta get back on the drawing board. I haven't been on the drawing board in a while. Mike, do you still backtest? And then 120, how about you?
Oh yeah.
I found a better way to like I was telling you before, years ago, I found a better way to do what they think backtesting is. I like the what you call it, the simulator. I use that because I think that's way better. I mean, like trading
way better
bar replay, but I like the simulator because I think it's better than the trading. I mean, even if TradingView was to get a feature like that, it'd be dope because the simulator allows you to actually place orders and actually get the real feel, you know, fluctuation, everything. Like you really can't do that with a, you know.
Yeah, so like I use my Forex Testers 5 to do. I know there's FX Replay. I know there's a lot of other ones out there. But I use this right here.
Oh yeah, I got that one too.
You got this? And so
yep.
They actually
you pay for yours?
No, they actually hit me for a sponsorship. That's how I was able to do it. And
what?
They actually, it's funny. I'm supposed to do a video for them. But yeah, they hit me with a sponsorship to do it, to talk about it. And I don't really like talking about too much that I gotta believe in it. And when they showed me the product, I was like, let me see the product first. They showed me the product and I was like, oh shit, this is fire. So I started actually using it for real. I'm like, yo, I can, like, it's just like MT5 and MT4, y'all. And I gotta refresh so much in here because I haven't used this in forever. But it's crazy. Like you can put your own balance amount that you want. You can set up whatever you want. Let's reset everything. No data. So yeah, I gotta reset everything.
I do this every weekend. Like this past weekend, I was, you know, like 13 years in. No matter how long you've been in the game, man, you can't never get better at your craft. So I do this every weekend.
Yo, you might have to plug me into. How do I start a new
It should be at the top. It say new chart. Yeah, there you go. It's gonna restart.
Oh,
and
data.
There should be a play button up there. You might have to play it a little bit so I can go a little bit and then stop it.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is cool. Let me stop it real quick. Hold on. Chill. All right, so
You
like,
can slow it down too.
oh yeah, you're right. That's right. Okay. So like, I can place an order, right? Let's say I do a market execution. Let's just say I want it. What is this? This is US30. So let's say I want to buy, right? Let's say I want to buy. I gotta put more money in my account. How do I put more money in the account though? Like I gotta.
Still be at the top, I think. Let me go to mine real quick.
By the way, this video is not sponsored, even though, yeah, this video is not sponsored. I'm just literally letting you guys know how cool this is. This particular video is not sponsored.
Yeah, like I say, man, anybody watching, listening, trying to grow, all the people that y'all was saying that y'all not consistent yet, 10 years, whatever, 4 or 5 years, this right here is what y'all should be doing. I mean, and you could thank us later. I think this would be way better than backtesting. Backtesting is like good, but like if you were able to get the full market experience, man, you can't beat that.
I just deposit money to the account, by the way. But let me, hold on, I don't think I did it right. Because it says my balance is 1,500. I'm trying to do 10,000.
Let's see if you can go to 1,500.
It just let me, okay. Well, let's say I got a $1,500 account. I got to obviously trade with 0.01. We could probably.
Oh, I think you just go to new project.
Oh, where that's at?
It's top under home tab.
New project. Yeah, you're right. Project name. You can call it whatever you want, guys, but let's just be real. So let's say we go with a 5K account and just give it a name, solo backtest. You can pick your pairs you want. Gold. Let's do gold in US30. You can set the dates that you want. You can go all the way back to 2018 to now. Right, and then you hit next. History. Time zone. You can set the time zone. Create. Yeah, I was honestly using this, but I stopped using it. But you just opened up my mind, bro. Like I might go back to this.
Yeah, you got to, man. It's just fun because like even when the market closed, I just come here and just mess around because it's, I don't know, you get that rush, you know. Just
yeah, facts. So let's take a trade, y'all. Let's say we taking a trade on a gold pair. We're gonna go in the 5 minute. Let's just say we want to buy it, right? Now, obviously, you know, not really putting anything behind this, but let's say we want to buy with a standard lot. We could do take profit, hit buy, insufficient margin. There we go. That's the problem. I can't even do that. All right, let's do a mini lot. Wait, hold on. Something ain't right. Insufficient margin. So what's going on? Oh, my margin. I got to change my margin. How do I do that?
I generally go to
I haven't used this in so long. Jesus. I'm so rusty and so much. This isn't Trade Locker. This is called My Forex Testers 5. Like I said, this video is not sponsored, by the way, but just letting y'all know how cool this is. But
you should be able to change the leverage on there as well, I think.
Yeah, there's a way to do it. I just forgot how to do it.
I actually got more than one like simulator. I got the MT5 and then like you said, I got this one too because they both offer something different.
Yeah, it's cool, guys. But this is one way to really like perfect your style, like for real. Like to really test your strategy. Like I would say I would prefer to use TradingView for just to how can I put it, bro? Just to map out your strategy, right? And then go into My Forex Testers 5 to actually use it in a live market. That's why I say sometimes you don't even need a demo account, y'all. Like y'all can just avoid trading 4 months with a demo account. You can literally get something like a simulator and you can perfect your strategy in a week, you know, and then boom. That's why I say there's no whole point of trading a demo account because it ain't gonna do nothing for you. It really ain't. Now what we got technology in there, y'all know the trading is all mental, so that's why a lot of y'all be like, I made this much on my demo, but then when you go live, you're like the market is against you. It ain't. It's literally A lot of it has to do with your mental. But yeah, Mike, I'm at 120. I gotta get back into that one. I'm gonna definitely tap into it. I just gotta figure it out.
Playing with it right now. I'm done for the day, so might as well.
Yeah, I'm about to play with it too. I'm about to play with it today. I'm about to go crazy today with it. I'm about to just start playing with it. But yeah, guys, we about to end today's stream. It ain't really much going on. Everything is already dropped. So I will be live tomorrow. So if y'all want to make sure y'all tune in for tomorrow, for sure, we're gonna make sure we get active. And then of course, Mr. 120, I don't know if you coming in. Mike, I don't know if you coming in. We probably have Neil coming in and more possibly. But
I'll definitely be here in the building, man.
For sure, man. Well, yeah, I appreciate y'all for coming in. Everybody, I'ma literally see y'all tomorrow. Everybody take care.
All right, sounds good. Have a good one, man.
All right, peace.